Hello viewers, welcome to Fahmina's creation. Today I'm going to show you how to decrease a crochet stitch. Sometimes for your project demand, you might need to decrease your stitch to make it look smaller than the previous row. So today I'm going to show you how you can achieve this. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button. If you have already subscribed me, please like and share this tutorial with others. So here in this project, I have created 20 double crochet, and from there now I'm going to show you how you can decrease. First of all, I have created these 3 chain spaces to go up to the next row. So the first chain that you are seeing, it is for that 3 chain spaces which is being considered as double crochet. So I'm not going to touch that one. I will decrease the next one and the one after that. So for decrease, double crochet decrease, we'll put yarn over, and then we'll put our hook through the chain and pull up a loop, but we won't go to the next step of double crochet. We won't do that. Instead, we'll go back to the next chain space and we'll pull up another loop. Then yarn over. We'll have 4 loops in our hook at that time. So yarn over, pull through first 3 loops. There will be 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. That's it, your decrease is done. So in the previous row you can see there were 2 double crochet, but on top of that we have created only 1 double crochet. That means we have created a decrease. So let's do it one more time. Yarn over. So we'll go to the next chain and pull up a loop, but we won't do finish the double crochet steps. Instead, we'll go to the next chain, the chain after the other one. We'll pull up another loop, and then we will yarn over and pull through first 3 loops and then pull through the next 2 loops. That's it, another decrease has been created. So let's do it a couple of times so that you get familiar with these steps. I'll carry on doing the decrease for the rest of this project, so that we started with 20 double crochet, but we'll end up having only 10 double crochet for this row because of all these decreases we are doing. So finished of doing all the decreases of this row, and let's count how many chains we have. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So we started with 20 double crochet in the first row and the second row. Because of all the decreases we have done, we have ended up with only 10 chains for this row. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.